I love Framon. They're such a fantastic company to deal with. I love their key machines, their code machines, everything they got. Their products are always above board. And I've been really liking, as you can see some of my other videos, I bought the tryout set. This is for basically heavy equipment, light equipment. So it's a 40-piece set. It's under $100 US. And let's just take a peek at it. Like I said, if you've ever had to do some heavy equipment, there's a good dollar to be made working on it. We actually had a job the other day and it was such a pain because we didn't have all this stuff. 40 keys, some of them I recognize, some of them I don't. Make keys to some of the equipment we've been making keys for. These keys are pre-cuts. So a lot of the Bobcats, the Cats, Kubotas, they just have one of a couple styles, and there's no individual keying, so one key will fit everything. It's construction equipment. It's out in the middle of nowhere. They want something simple, easy to use, and they want to have their keys to fit everything. So these are pre-cuts. It's a set of 40. You can see the list here. I'll put it individually, and once I sort it out, we'll talk about more. We've had a couple jobs lately where we've gone to construction sites. We've been lucky we've had the keys, but we didn't have a big set like this. So the most popular keys out there, and these are all pre-cuts. So this one job will pay for this whole set very, very easily. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.